Risk management. New operations. We're going to protect our capital, analyzing before each operation the optimal fraction of the capital we want to invest, as well as the stop loss and take profit parameters for it. Once we have initiated the app with our username and password and from the main screen, we'll be able to manage the risk of each new operation, depending on whether we want to realize a previous analysis for its study or start it directly. To realize a previous analysis, we'll access the Risk Management menu by clicking on the corresponding icon. From here, we'll select the option of making a new analysis. First of all, we'll determine the type of asset on which we're going to realize the study. Next, we will indicate with which manager and broker, as well as what is going to be the strategy, the foreseen term and where appropriate, the position adopted. If we have already obtained enough results for the app to generate a statistical study with our parameters, these will be shown and will help us to determine the optimal fraction of capital to invest. This can never be higher than the statistical calculation generated. Now we must select the asset on which we're going to realize the analysis of the operation. We can filter the search by the ticker and by the stock market where it's listed. We will complete the required variables. We'll determine the entry target, the stop loss, the profit target, as well as the estimated commission. With this data, the app will calculate the number of assets to be acquired, the amount of the operation, as well as the estimated profit and loss, respecting at all times the maximum risk determined for this type of assets and for the global investments. We print it and save the analysis. Once analyzed, if we decide to activate the operation, we will simply access the operation from the New Operation menu or from Risk Management. If the asset's currency is different from the broker's that's managing the operation, we must indicate the exchange rate applied to us at the time of the transaction. If we wanted to directly register a new operation, we'd proceed on a similar way to what was previously developed, by clicking on the New Operation icon, being automatically registered at the end of the analysis.